Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number is 23. Lecture number 23 and HW number 22. And topic is chapter 10 CQ and solution. Dear student, I have taught you the theorem number 1, 2, 3 and the example number 10. On the basis of that theorem, I have made two creative questions. And this creative question is your ASW, but I have solved this. Okay? And this is a difficult CQ, so I have solved and I have discussed with you. Okay? Okay, let's start the class. At first you read the CQ. AB and CD are two chords other than diameter of a circle ABCD with center O. That means ABCD are the two chords other than diameter of the circle ABCD with center O. P and Q are two midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Dear student, this is the stem. This is the stem. Okay, now you see the A number question. Determine the radius of a circle of which the circumference is 44 centimeter. A number question may be in mathematics easy and knowledge based question. Okay, look, determine the radius of a circle of which the circumference is 44 centimeter. You know what is the circumference? Circumference that is bounded by the circle. A line, a curved line which is bounded by the circle. Suppose you see this is the circumference. You see this is the circumference. This is the circumference. Okay. Now you see the question. Radius of a circle of the circumference is 44. Determine the radius of a circle. Now we have to determine the radius of this circle. That means circumference is given. Okay. Now you have to determine the radius. Okay. And B number, if AB is a diameter, prove that AB greater than CD. C number, if AB equal to CD, then prove that PO equal to QO. Okay, look, at first I will solve A number. Look, the radius of a circle is r centimeter. Then circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. Okay, we know this is the formula. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Look, this 2 pi r is equivalent is 44. Therefore, we write as per question 2 pi r equal to 44. We have to determine the radius of the circle. Look, therefore r equal to what? 44 division 2 pi. Why this is division? You know 2 pi is multiplication with the r. So this will be in division. Okay. Now r equal 44 2. You see this is pi. This name is pi. This is the symbol of pi and its value is 3.14. 3.14. Okay. Now you put the value 3.14. 2. Yes. Pi. Value of pi equal to what? 3.14. Now at first you divide 44 by 2. Then you get 22. Then you divide 22 by 3.14. Then you get this result 7.006. Okay. That means we have got the result. The radius of the circle is 7.006 centimeter. Okay. Okay, A number finished. Then I will solve B number. You see, this is the information is given. AB and CD are the two chords. You see, AB and CD are the two chords. AB and CD are the two chords. but AB is the diameter because this is passes through the center. So this is the diameter. Okay, and CD is the chord. You know, any line joining any 2 points of a circle is called the chord. That means CD is the chord, but CD is not passes through the center, so this is not the diameter. Okay, if any chord passes through the center, then we will say that is the diameter. Okay, okay. Look, what I told, this is the information. Look, OB the center of the circle of ABCD, ABB is the diameter, and CD is a chord other than diameter of the circle. CD is a chord other than diameter of the circle. What is meant by this? That means CD is not a diameter. Okay, like this. That means this is only the chord. Now we have to prove that AB greater than CD. Dear student, I have taught you this in example 4. Okay. Now we need the construction. Dear student, you look, we need the construction, and you see the figure, we can easily see that AB is the greater than CD. Okay, but you have to prove in logically. So we need some construction. Okay, now join OD and OC. Okay, join now OC and OD. You see, join OC and OD. OC and OD. Now we have to prove. You see, OC, OD, OB all are equal, because from the center all the distance are equal. Okay, so OB equal to OC, OC equal to OD, OA equal to OB. Okay, you see, OA equal to OB, OB equal to what? OC, OC equal to what? OD. That means OA equal to what? OD, or OA equal to OC, OB equal to OC. Okay, as you wish. Now you see the triangle OCD. You see the triangle OCD. You see, this is the triangle. Okay, you see, you have to consider now about this triangle OCD. Okay, look, OCD triangle. We know that in a triangle, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of the two sides is greater than the third sides. Okay, according to this law, we can write, look, OC plus OD, OC plus OD equal to what? This is greater than what? Greater than CD. Okay, greater than CD. So I have written CD. Now OC equal to what? OC equal to, we can say also OA, OB as you wish. But OC equal to, I have written here OA, OC and OA. OC equal to what? OA. OA. OD equal to what? OD equal to again OB. OD equal to OB. Okay. Now OA plus OB. Okay. You see, OA plus OB equal to what? OA plus OB. You see, OA. You see, OA plus OB equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to AB. Okay. So we have to write here AB greater than CD. Okay. Okay, dear student, I think you understood. Therefore, OA plus OB equal to what? OA plus OB equal to AB. Okay. This is our proof. Now you see the question number C. If AB equal to CD, then we have to prove that PO equal to QO. Okay. You see, this is the circle of ABCD where O is the center. You see, O is the center and AB and CD are the two chords. AB and CD are the two chords. Okay. And O is the center. And you see, in C number question, the AB equal to CD, that means AB equal to CD, this is given. Now we have to prove that OP equal to OQ. Similarly, now we have to write according to the given stem, ABCD is the circle with center O, P and Q are the midpoints. You see, P and Q are the midpoints of AB and CD. You see, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of CD. Okay, we have to prove that OQ equal to OP. Okay, OP equal to OQ. Okay, as you wish. Now we need construction. We have to join OA and OC. Okay, join now OA and OC. Okay, dear student, now you see APO and OCQ are the two triangles. Okay, see, I have marked here. I want to compare between these two triangles, APO and COQ. Okay, look, now I will start the proof. Look, AP equal to and BP equal to, that means AP and BP are equal. Therefore, you can write AP equal to BP equal to half of AB. Okay, half of AB. Similarly, Q is the midpoint, so you can write CQ equal to QD equal to what? Half CD. You see, CQ plus DQ equal to half of CD. Okay, as given the AP equal to CD, therefore we can write AP equal to CQ. You see, AP equal to CQ. Now we have to compare between these two triangles, APO and COQ. Between these two triangles we have to compare now. Look, AP equal to what? AP equal to CQ. Yes, AP equal to CQ. OA equal to what? OA equal to OC, because they are the same radius. Okay, and you see the angle APO. See the angle APO and CQO. CQO are the equal angles. Okay. Okay. That means we have proved already here the two sides equal and one angle equal. Two sides equal and one angle equal. Therefore, we can say the APO and CQO are congruent. As they are congruent, therefore we can say OP equal to OQ. Okay, this is our proved. Here student, now I want to talk with you about our HW. Look, this is HW number 22. Look, CQ2, this is your HW, but I have solved it. You see, at first you read the stem, then you see C number question is same as the CQ number 1. You see, same as C number. C. And A number, this is the knowledge based question. You see, determine the area of the circle with center A. You see, PQ equal to what? PQ equal to what? 6. PQ equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, that means this is the diameter, and we know radius is half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. That means 6 by 2 equal to what? 3 centimeter. Okay, now we know the area of the circle is what? Pi r square. Pi r square. Now put the value pi equal to what? 3.14. R equal to what? 3 square. 3 square equal to what? 9. 9 into 3.14. Then we get 28.26. Okay, B number also prove that M is the midpoint of RQ. See, M is the midpoint of RQ. This is theory number 1. You see, this is so much easier. Okay, as AM is the perpendicular on RQ, therefore we can say AMR and AMQ equal to what? 90 degree. Now AMR and AMQ, between these two right angles, what do you say? We say AR equal to what? AQ. AM equal to what? AM equal to common side. Okay. Now, therefore, we say that ARM and AMQ are the congruent. As they are congruent, so we say that M is the midpoint of RQ. and you see the C number, this is the same. Look, PQ is the diameter and RQ is the any chord. Okay, you see RQ is the chord and PQ is the diameter. Now join AR, then you see ARQ is a triangle, you know, ARQ is a triangle. Now we compare ARQ in this triangle. We know sum of the three sides, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, you see sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. That means what? You see AR plus AQ equal to AR plus AQ greater than RQ. That means sum of the two sides is greater than the third sides. Now AR equal to what? AR equal to AP. You see AR equal to AP. Okay, because this is the radius. All the radius are equal in a circle. Remember, all the radius are equal in a circle. Therefore we say AR equal to what? AP. AQ. You see AP plus AQ equal to what? AP plus AQ equal to PQ greater than RQ. Hence PQ greater than RQ. Dear student, I request you, at first you see the stamp, then try to solve yourself. At first you read the stamp properly, then try to read the questions, then try to solve yourself. If you didn't understand properly, then you see the solution. Okay? Dear student, your SIN SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CID marks, diary marks and HBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You keep practicing at home and stay safe, stay well. See you again, inshallah.